From tiny eggs, the journey of silk begins, a delicate promise of luxury. Newly hatched silkworms emerge, embarking on their sole mission, to consume mulberry leaves. With a relentless appetite, each silkworm meticulously feeds, growing larger by the hour. Across vast trays, countless silkworms mature, transforming leaves into the potential for precious fiber. Their slow, deliberate movements signify a creature entirely dedicated to its biological purpose. Instinct guides each silkworm to meticulously spin a protective cocoon of continuous silk filament. Within days, the silkworm encases itself completely, weaving a shimmering, resilient fortress. Thousands of finished cocoons await harvest, a testament to the collective industry of the silkworms. Careful hands collect the fragile cocoons, moving them to the next stage of processing. Each cocoon, a marvel of natural engineering, holds a single, unbroken strand of silk. Cocoons are introduced to hot water, a crucial step to soften the saracen, a natural gum. The warm water gently loosens the silk fibers, allowing for the careful unwinding process. Skilled workers meticulously search for the elusive starting end of each silk filament. A single, incredibly fine strand of raw silk is delicately drawn from the softened cocoon. Multiple filaments converge from several cocoons, twisting together to form a stronger, unified thread. The delicate silk filament is continuously reeled onto spools, creating a compact, lustrous bundle. Automated reeling machines work in harmony, efficiently extracting the precious silk thread. Each spool accumulates hundreds of meters of raw silk, ready for further refinement. Racks are filled with glistening skeins of reeled silk, awaiting their next transformation. The raw silk skeins are carefully loaded onto twisting machines, preparing them for increased strength. Multiple silk strands are expertly twisted together, forming a robust and durable yarn. The plied silk yarn is wound onto bobbins, showcasing its enhanced strength and consistency. In a vibrant dyeing facility, silk yarn prepares to embrace a spectrum of rich colors. Silk skeins are immersed into a deep indigo bath, initiating their dramatic color transformation. The pristine silk fibers absorb the vivid dyes, transforming into brilliant, saturated hues. Freshly dyed silk skeins emerge, dripping with rich color, a testament to the dyeing mastery. Long lines of dyed silk hang to dry, allowing the vibrant colors to set and deepen. As the silk dries, its inherent luster returns, now imbued with a stunning new vibrancy. Bobbins of brilliantly colored silk yarn are prepared, ready for the intricate process of weaving. The powerful looms roar to life, intricately weaving warp and weft threads into lustrous fabric. At the heart of the loom, individual silk threads interlace, forming the shimmering surface of the fabric. Newly woven silk fabric steadily rolls onto a beam, revealing its nascent patterns and textures. Vast rolls of exquisite silk fabric await, a testament to the artistry of the weavers. Trained eyes meticulously inspect every inch of the fabric, ensuring impeccable quality. The finished silk fabric possesses an unmatched smoothness and fluid drape, a touch of pure luxury. Industrial washing and finishing machines refine the silk, enhancing its softness and sheen. The delicate silk fabric passes through precise drying rollers, ensuring its perfect finish. The final product boasts an ethereal sheen and remarkable softness, the hallmark of fine silk. Workers carefully fold and prepare the finished silk into bolts, ready for distribution. Packaged bolts of luxurious silk stand ready, prepared to embark on their journey to artisans and designers worldwide.